Hello and welcome to ISTV News. I am Arkelina. The headlines. International Manipuri Forum against the implementation of 6th schedule in Manipur. Now the news in detail. 6th schedule cannot be applied in Manipur. Moreover, there is no nomenclature called Nagas in Manipur and came out strongly against the bogus Kukiland map produced by the Kukis in Manipur. This has been asserted by various speakers on discussion on integrity versus 6th schedule and other issues confronting the state, organized by International Manipuri Forum at Manipur Press Club today. Former member of Manipur Human Rights Commission R.K. Rajendra, Dr. Manoranjan Khuman, social worker Shyamananda and advocate Gogon Bihari were also present on the occasion. R.K. Rajendra said, without knowing anything about the history of Manipur, Union Home Minister is trying to appease NECNIM and the Kukis. His statement on the demands of the two shoot is very unreasonable. Majority community Meiteis are trying to settle together with all the communities residing in the state. On the contrary, Nagas and Kukis are trying to destroy the territorial integrity of Manipur. Asserting it as very unfortunate, he went on to add that without understanding the ground reality of Manipur, the government of India should stop giving demands simply.
Agogi Thai Saban Thaba, Lai Saban Thaba, Lai Pataban Tone, Karigumangamo, Metadopa, Sam, Metadopa, Adugoji, Mateli Maxibo, Karungamo, Tona, Mutado, Mutado, Adugi Pibum de Lepa. Aduguzisu, Kodakana, Yinsin Gadabadi, Cookies in Sina, Makogi, Homeland, and then the excellent, the Mipupi Puya. Hatta Masia could be paid to Ergano, the excellent Masi, National security, the young Kaiba, Adugan, Talib demand, Jiti, Lam Tamana, Civil war demand of Umani, and the Tauraga, Mokosi, Nogi, Fikarai, Karadino, proved over the top, Kaukalerga, Jane Robibia.
Advocate Gogon Bihari said the government of India is extending special protection to SC and ST to save the Indian constitution. He further said there is no provision in the Indian constitution to grant SC and ST status to the people of Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh and Tripura. Huge amount of money has been sanctioned to develop tribals under Tribal Development Department. All such funds have been swindled by tribal leaders. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh is again trying to devolve power to the hills under ADC. Not satisfied with this, the tribals are again demanding implementation of 6th schedule. This is simply unreasonable. He also asks if Sushil Kumar Shinde could give Kukis in Maharashtra 6th schedule. Nagas have history in Nagaland. There is no nomenclature called Nagas in Manipur. However, recognized communities like Mao, Tangkhul and Rongmei are there. He further maintained that out of 100% land area in Manipur, hills area accounted for 92, while the remaining areas are valley. The state can even be declared as hill state so that all communities could settle harmoniously in the state. A joint resolution of all MLAs and ministers is needed for it, he added.
Land percentage da hill state and law to be targeted uniform code of law. Sing me to Tabaka Tawa and Tabaki Tamisu Chin Tawa Anera. Panchayati Raj Buhagara, village authority Buhagara Hadirova. Aduna, according to Hujit Yamada, Manipur state hill state and declared Tobiva. Masi Hujima Bataki from the law to Payar. Masideta. Masjid number constitution that provision
One day free eye camp was held at Thau ground under the joint initiative of Lions and Lioness Club of Imphal, Mayai Lambi Lions Club branch and Thau Health Care and Fitness Center. Lions Club of Imphal President and Secretary A.K. Sharma and W. Bhaktaraj were also present on the occasion. Around 250 were given the opportunity of the camp along with free medicines. A.K. Sharma, speaking to ISTV News, said the Lions Club of Imphal has been conducting such camps all the year round and maintained that it will continue further also. Dr. Arun Kumar of Thau Healthcare and Fitness Center said such camp is being held in other districts too today.
Lions Club and Lioness Club of Imphal, Mayanabi branch, District Branch Control Society, free eye camp diabetes, health talk, neuropathy, retinopathy, suma mayam, alaman sinda. Lebelena tina myam chikhandon nodong da koi masi paget ke haina aduba Thau Healthcare and Fitness Center isida hojik akhon thamje pandam si swan healthcare se koi doctor ama regular ki sadi huding go so aba thamba.
Huidam Nabukumar Singh has been nominated as a member of the Consultative Committee of the Food Corporation of India, FCI, for Manipur. Huidam Nabukumar is the chairman of MPCC Kishan Khet Mazdoor. Huidam Nabukumar will take charge with immediate effect for a period of 2 years. Nabukumar, as advised by the authority of the Food Corporation of India, will be visiting Haryana and Punjab to learn how the procurement, storage and distribution operations of the Food Corporation of India. Huidam Nabukumar is a resident of Mayang Imphal Thana Mamang Lekai, Imphal West, Part 2. As a member of the Consultative Committee, Nabukumar will discuss and make recommendations on the matters of procurement and distribution and quality of food grains, among others. The Consultative Committee shall have the right to inspect procurement, storage and distribution operations of the FCI. A 2-day technology injection program on Mithun rearing for economic and nutritional security and environment protection was held at Nambashi Khulen within Kasom Khulen subdivision. The program was jointly organized by Nebado, Manipur and National Research Center of Mithun, Jharna Pani, Nagaland, Joint Director ICAR Lamphel N. Prakash, Principal Scientist of Mithun K.K. Barua, Joint Director Animal and Husbandry Ukhrul Dr. T.H. Devendra Kumar and Nebado President Paiso Keshing were also present on the occasion. As part of the occasion, seeds were distributed to the farmers. Dr. Devendra Kumar said rearing of Mithun not only helps the economic conditions of the farmers but also helps in maintaining the environment. He said Mithun population, which was around 20,000 in 2002-2003, has decreased to half in 2007. He urged the farmers to rear Mithun to increase their economic conditions. As part of the technical session, Principal Scientist K.K. Barua and Dr. Mukherjee talked on how to rear Mithun to earn money and feed.
Apart from some scientific things, we need your help.
Scientific things, scientific
Mithun has been restricted in all over the world, only in few packets. Just like in India is Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram. Few number of
उसको और भी जाकर उसका प्रोडक्ट भी बनाइए, उसका दूध अगर निकाल सकते हैं उसमें से बहुत सारे मिल्क प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हैं. उसका जो लेदर है, आप लोग एक चीज और है, आप मीट के साथ उसका चमड़ा भी खा जाते हैं. तो वो जो है ये जो
And before we end, the headlines once again. International Manipuri Forum against the implementation of 6th schedule in Manipur. That's all we have for now. Thanks for joining us.